Apple today announced the new 15-inch MacBook Air, the latest addition to its popular MacBook Air lineup. The new MacBook Air features the M2 chip, which delivers up to 18% faster CPU performance and up to 35% faster GPU performance than the previous generation. It also features a larger 15.3-inch Liquid Retina display, a new 6-speaker sound system, and a MagSafe charging port. The 15-inch MacBook Air is available in 4 colors: Midnight, Starlight, Silver, and Space Gray. It starts at $1,349 for the base model with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Here are some of the key features of the new 15-inch MacBook Air. M2 chip. The M2 chip is the latest generation of Apple's custom silicon, and it delivers significant performance improvements over the previous generation. The M2 chip features an 8-core CPU, and 10-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. 15.3-inch Liquid Retina display. The 15.3-inch Liquid Retina display is larger and brighter than the previous generation display. It also features True Tone technology, which adjusts the color temperature of the display to match the ambient light. 6-speaker sound system. The new MacBook Air features a 6-speaker sound system that delivers immersive sound. The sound system also supports spatial audio, which creates a 3-dimensional soundscape. MagSafe charging port. The MagSafe charging port makes it easy to charge the MacBook Air. The MagSafe port is also more durable than traditional USB-C ports. The new 15-inch MacBook Air is a significant upgrade over the previous generation. It offers more performance, a larger display, and a better sound system. If you're looking for a powerful and portable laptop, the new 15-inch MacBook Air is a great option. Here are some of the pros and cons of the new 15-inch MacBook Air. Pros: powerful M2 chip, large 15.3-inch Liquid Retina display, 6-speaker sound system, MagSafe charging port, long battery life. Cons: no touch bar, no HDMI port, no SD card slot. Here are some of the key features of the 15-inch MacBook Air that make it a great choice for pro photographers. M2 chip with up to 40% faster performance. 15-inch Retina display with True Tone. Magic keyboard with Touch ID. Up to 18 hours of battery life. 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports. If you're a pro photographer looking for a powerful and portable laptop, the 15-inch MacBook Air with the M2 chip is a great option. It's sure to help you take your photo editing to the next level. Here are some additional details about the 15-inch MacBook Air. It starts at $1,399. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. It can be configured with up to 24 GB of RAM and 2 TB of storage. It is available in Silver, Space Gray, and Midnight. Overall, the new 15-inch MacBook Air is a great choice for users who are looking for a powerful and portable laptop. It offers a significant performance upgrade over the previous generation, and it has a larger display and a better sound system. However, it does lack some features that some users may find essential, such as a touch bar and an HDMI port. The new 15-inch MacBook Air is available to order today from Apple's website and from authorized retailers. It will begin shipping to customers on June 13th.